With a great job comes great responsibility, said by Uncle Ben. Yes, the Spidey's uncle. Because the world is turned upside down from the pandemic, so we decided to turn weird. So, in this weird edition of Play with Infotech, presenting from Weirdos Island, I am Infinite Muzammil, and here are the top 10 weirdest jobs in the world. Please give a suggestion of our next video by pressing the I button above. Wait for it. Now go on. Number 10. Professional sleeper. A hotel in Finland hired a member of staff as a professional sleeper to test the comfort of their beds. The individual sleeps in different beds each night and writes a review about his or her satisfaction with each one. Also, you won't find a more unusual job than a human bed warmer. And yes, this job is exactly what it sounds like. Someone pays you to get in a bed and warm it up. Evidently, some people hate the idea of jumping into a nice, clean, fresh bed and having to withstand 30 seconds or so of being cold. The pay for a human bed warmer can top $200,000. Number 9. Dry paint watcher.
Yes, you guessed right. Someone actually makes a living by watching paint getting dry. No, this isn't a joke. A man in UK currently has a job in which he paints sheets of cardboard to test how long new paint takes to dry and watches for changes in color and texture. Can you sit and watch a thing for a long time? I though can't. Give me your answer in the comment section below.
Number 8. Full-time Netflix viewer. Just imagine being paid to watch TV all the day. That's something exciting. Well, for one lucky employee, this dream has become reality. Netflix has hired someone to watch all their contents before that is available to the public, and their role is to review and assign each program its correct tag, which helps us viewers to find exactly what we are after, whether it's romantic crime movie based on classic literature or witty talking animal TV show. Number 7. Professional pusher. Go!
Japan indeed is an hardworking nation. It makes sure that all its people reach work on time. That's why Japan has employed a person to push people onto trains so nobody is late for work. The qualifications needed to apply for this job is as follows. The person must know how to hold his hands in a 45-degree angle and must be well versed in the art of pushing.
Number 6. Professional mourner. It is a tradition in Southeast Asia that a loud funeral will assist the dead as they travel to the afterlife. So basically, professional mourners are hired to cry and weep loudly throughout the service. Number 5. Professional stand-in liner. Straight.
Some people don't like to stand in a queue. I don't know about you, but I too don't. Some lazy person like me could hire a person to stand in line for them until their turn comes. In the meanwhile, you can grab a bite to eat or catch up with a friend. I would use this personally. Would you too? Let us know in the comment section below.
Number 4. The dog food taster. The dog food taster's job is to taste new dog food products including bones, tinned meat and biscuits. They do this to test for flavor and texture in comparison to rival dog food brands and human food. That's something tasty. Number 3. Odor judge.
In order to test the effectiveness of a new product, odor judges are hired to smell volunteers' breath, feet and armpits. To make sure their judgment is accurate, the judges have to take the sense of smell tested monthly so that they can smell the hell out of things. Oh, that's lavender.
Number 2. Zombie. Wait, zombie? London Dungeons hold annual auditions for the role of zombie in their exhibits with an average salary of 30,000 euros, then it's far from a deadbeat job. It's really simple. Your job would be to scare tourists who willingly pay for the privilege of being chased through the dark rooms by made up strangers. If you are good at this job, then congratulations, you would become a good torturer or even the Jack the Ripper. Number 1, wedding guest. Come on, come on.
In the country of the rising sun, you can get a part-time job as a guest to attend a wedding. Even I didn't believe this. Here some people crash a wedding, but there a person is paid to join the beautiful couple in harmony and joy. There some people have auditions to choose the perfect guest for their auspicious day. The person casted for the role gets a free meal and the pay agreed on. Have you heard of any other weird job? We would love to hear about it. Let us know in the comment section below. So that's your list from Weirdos Island. I too personally think that Muzammil is going to become a professional sleeper. What do you think? Please comment in the comment section below. Nah, don't comment about that. So until next time, I'm your Infinite Leroy signing off. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.